Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'll show you how you can download and use a software which is an alternative to Microsoft Office, which is absolutely free, and I'll show you how it will look like when you install it. It has similar components like Microsoft Office Home does. So let's get started. Open your browser and type openoffice.org and press enter. You can find the link in the description for OpenOffice and click on the second option that says I want to download Apache OpenOffice, and then select the operating system. If you are downloading it for Windows, make sure you have Windows exe in bracket. Select the language because it comes in multiple languages, and the version would be latest. So for Windows it will be default. You can simply click on download full installation and a new window will open up and your download will start shortly, it says. Okay, a file is being downloaded at the bottom left corner. So our exe file has been downloaded. We can click that arrow and click open. Click on yes on user account control, and I'll minimize this window. Okay, we'll click on next on installation wizard. It will show you the space required. Click on install. Okay, click on next now. You can give it a username if you want and type your organization's name, or you can type an A and then click on next. Click on let it be on typical. Click on next. You can leave a check and create a start link on desktop, so it will create an icon on the desktop, and then click on install. Okay, now click on finish. So this is the icon for OpenOffice. If you double click on it, it will open our program. So it will start the registration process. Click on next. You can type your first name and last name, and initials, and then click on finish. So as I said, it has similar components but the names are different. So the text document is nothing but Microsoft Word, spreadsheet is Excel, and presentation is PowerPoint. There are more components. You can check about them all when you go to the website, the same one, that is openoffice.org, and on the first page itself at the right hand side there is an option says product. If you click on that, it takes you to a page where it will give you information about those components. So draw lets you produce everything from simple diagram to dynamic 3D illustrations. Same way there are other two, so in total there are 6 components. So I'll show you how text document looks like. I'll double click on it. So this is our Word. You can create documents using text document. You can create documents and save them. If you need to send those documents to somebody who does not have the similar program, that is fine. If he has Microsoft Office, he will be able to open this document. So everything that you have in Microsoft Office Home and Student is there in this software also. Now we will check the spreadsheet. Even the spreadsheet looks like Microsoft Excel. So if you want to use a free software, this is the software which is good for you. That's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye bye.